Hey, we're going to finish off this workspace. If you're here through all 6 parts, you're an animal. Well done. The key thing that was shown, maybe the difference between what part 4 and part 4 continued had to say, was that they used n and still continued using n instead of x. X is traditional, right? X is what you're going to continue seeing from this point on. So whether they use n or x, be okay with it. The point is that because it is a common difference, this is a linear element of change. Always. All arithmetic sequences are able to be described as a linear relationship. And if you see over here, the dots on the graph, they form a straight line. You might remember them being drawn when you saw them, as a similar concept in 5th grade. This has been around a long time, right? It's just refreshing and reviewing and remembering. So the point is, these are slope triangles, rise over run, rise over run, rise over. They make stair steps, right? If you can see a consistent stair step, you know that when you plot that sequence, you have a linear relationship. It's an arithmetic relationship. And so therefore we need to choose the appropriate thing. The appropriate thing is that it is a linear relationship. Last question, is the function classification based on the graph the same as the function classification based on the function? Weird language just to mean, does that straight line of dots, it's not a full line, right? It's got spaces in between. Does that straight line and this function that is a linear relationship, are they the same classification? Well, we chose linear for both, so yes. Here we go. Let's answer the last question on here. An arithmetic sequence can always be represented by a linear function with the domain of all whole numbers. Domain, that's these numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the domain of the sequence. The actual terms of the sequence are the range. Concept we need to do in another separate section. But the point being, there it is. That's the whole workspace. Thanks for watching all 5 and 5.5 parts. Appreciate it. Bye.